There are lots of different ways to make your denim look more expensive, especially if you don't have the budget for designer jeans. You needn't spend a fortune on jeans to look well-dressed. Fortunately, in this video, I will give you the tips and tricks to instantly give your jeans a luxe upgrade so it doesn't have to be unaffordable. So, let's jump right in. As you may know, expensive jeans are made from expensive fabrics because high-quality fabrics demand a high price. But if you don't want the material of the jeans to get noticed, I highly recommend choosing darker, moodier washes because these types of jeans don't clearly show the actual fabric, and most importantly, it gives a more polished feel that reads dressier than the rest. But if you don't have a darker wash jeans, keep watching to find out how you can still make the jeans look expensive. When you style your denim with pieces in the same color family, you'll make the jeans look more expensive and elegant, even if you're wearing the most budget-friendly pieces. This also means that you will need to avoid some colors because they will instantly make the jeans and the whole outfit look cheap. If you must wear neon, consider pairing it with black or white jeans to tone it down. Also, brighter versions can come off as cheap and unrefined. Consider opting for deep red or more muted shades of yellow for a more polished look. Navy blue, emerald green, burgundy exude elegance and luxury. For example, you can pair your jeans with a camel coat, bag, or shoes. Camel is truly so versatile. It can go with almost anything in terms of colors to match and fabrics to combine it with. On the other hand, burgundy or wine red blazers, coats, and knitwear can be paired with a neutral color jeans such as back to create a chic and sophisticated look. I would go on and on how to combine play with these colors but not in this video. But if you would like an ultimate clothing color guide, comment below and I will do a detailed video on this. I love using the color blocking effect with jeans for a fashion-forward, high-end look. This technique creates a visually appealing outfit without overcomplicating things. Layers are key to making a denim outfit appear more interesting and expensive. While you can always top off your ensembles with a great coat, a designer blanket scarf will help add more interest. I also love layering with belts, cardigans, and cozy headgear. If you're seeking effortless ways to dress up your jeans and make it look lavish, all you need is a statement sweater. Embellished sweaters are so exquisite, and they're a foolproof way to ramp up the luxe vibes. One of the easiest ways you can nail that layered effect is by draping an oversized scarf on top of your outfit. Whether you throw it over your shoulders or wrap it all the way around, a scarf adds dimension to an outfit, especially if it's in a different color or texture. The right outerwear can make any pair of jeans look effortlessly chic. For example, denim and leather, or a timeless, well-fitting black or camel jacket go hand in hand with jeans. Also, a classic trench coat is another ideal outerwear piece to elevate your jeans and make them look more expensive. You can choose a belted trench in a versatile neutral shade like beige, and ensure it fits well on the shoulders. A smart neutral coat or hoodie will make any pair of jeans look timeless and elevated. This is one of the easiest pieces to style. No matter how you style it, it'll make your jeans look high-end. Good shoes can be spotted from a mile away and really do pull an outfit together. But we can't all buy luxury ready to wear, and you don't need to. That being said, I'm not talking about throwing out your entire shoe collection in favor of pairs that cost more than you can actually afford. You can save the money and buy a good shoe. An expensive shoe on an inexpensive outfit offers instant elevation. Just like with everything else in your wardrobe, the way your jeans fit and hug your body is very important. When jeans are tailored specifically for your body, they take on a custom and high-end look. Your jeans should always comfortably fit 2 fingers inside the waistband, and you also want to make sure that there is no buckling between the knee and your ankle, an indicator that the pant leg is too long. So, you might want to consider taking your jeans to your local tailor. Also, you may be surprised by how much a belt can transform denim. But of course, not all belts are created equal, so I recommend choosing one that's made of a high-quality material like genuine leather, suede, or snakeskin, in brown or black belt with a bold or ornate buckle, and make sure to tuck your top in, not only to highlight your accessory, but also to achieve a more polished look.